So this is what the part looks like. And I got it from the internet. You have to put the clip on before you heat mold it. Okay. Then you blast it with a hairdryer. So after about 30 seconds, you can see it's warm enough that it can be molded. And it's important to get the fabric in there first, otherwise you can pinch those clips shut so that fabric won't fit in there anymore. So then, not only does it fit on your face better, but you get a lot less glasses fog. Like, I'm trying to fog up my glasses and it's not working. So, a big improvement.